So good morning, everybody. We'll try this one more time. Really quick before we get started, I want to remind you that this is Friday, June 19th. We have 11 days before the live trading alert scanner price increase. Lock in your price now, and your price will not go up. On July 1? The price will be going to 147. If you purchase the live trading alerts before then, you will be locked in or grandfathered in. Locked in is a poor choice. Grandfathered in at that $97 rate. And you may cancel at any time, but you will own that price and your price will not go up. All right, let's take a look at the market, and then I've got a few trades to look at. I know it's Friday, and I don't usually have anything for Friday, but there's a few that I'd like to point out. I also sent them out on the Pro app. If you have the Pro app, I also put them on our app and sent them out on text if you have signed up for our text or any kind of app service that we have. Okay, so far, the Bulls are winning this game. Here on, what is this, the 15th? Yeah, the 15th, the Bulls put in a bullish piercing candle, and then we had a follow-through the next day, positive bullish follow-through, and the following day there, we still had bullish positive follow-through, and then yesterday still showed bullish positive follow-through. We are holding above the T line, and that follow-through, that positive follow-through is all coming off of this candle. That's what we want. We've got this candle now. We want this to hold up. If you're bullish, you want this to hold up, and it has. It's pulled back slightly, testing, and it's holding the test. And today, it looks like we're gapping up just a smidgens here. Now, the proof in the pudding is going to be at the close of the day. The morning, the gap, the bullish opening in the morning, that's all fine and dandy, and it could lead to a fantastic trading day. But at the end of the day, that's what's going to count. How are we going to close? How are the Bulls and the Bears going to compare to each other? So far, we're above the T-line and above the 17 EMA. The 17 EMA are the green dots. And that just shows that it's bullish. I'm using that as my bullish trend. So far, so good. We still need to climb up, challenge this upper island reversal area, and then challenge the top for a breakout. So the Bulls are not out of the woods yet, but they certainly are winning the game right now. All right, so let's look at a few trades here. CVNA. I kind of like the way this trade is looking. We've got a very nice trending chart right here, just beautifully trending up. We popped up just normal. This is just normal activity, normal pullback. We rallied up again. Here's some normal activity, a little gap down, maybe not that normal, but still, if you look, we held the trend very well. And we popped up again, and now we're holding in here with a little candle that might make you question. Then we have a little doji. Then we have a little bullish follow through. So now what we're looking for is follow through, and I would put that line right in there about that 121.37-ish area. And then what I'd be looking for is bullish trading above that line right there. If we do see a pullback, if we can hold that T-line, that will be okay. But we do need to continue that trend up. This is a very nice chart. Now we'll look at purchasing on follow through over this green line or yesterday's candle. Let's see, another one is work. Work looks pretty good here. I like what work is doing. It gapped down and it's put in a very nice bottom. Nice rounded, organized bottom showing the bulls are still there. We've moved up over the T-line. We rested. We popped up a little bit yesterday. So now what I'm looking for on this one is I would like try that again. There we go. I would like a nice little inside day buy, and I'm going to use yesterday's low as a stop. With the target up here, first target would be filling the gap. Second target would be up here, challenging those tops at about $40. Another one I've got is STGTX. If you're into some biotech stuff here, we've rallied up and then just rested. All this is a rest. And this was a little bit more than a rest. We've got a little pullback. In fact, our trend turned red, and now our trend is turning green. And what I really like about this chart is the last few days and the pattern that it's created. So we have that rally up, and now we have this tight little consolidation right in there like that. So what I'm looking for is follow through to the upside, get up there where we can challenge this high and possibly higher. So even a purchase, say, somewhere in the 1910, 1915 area, that puts us up to this high about 16% if we can challenge this high. And then you're set up for a possible breakout. Another one is Dollar General. Dollar General is trending up very nice. There's no reason to think we can't continue that trend. Here we go again with that bullish piercing candle, and then we have 3 bars of rest, just sideways consolidation, kind of like one of those pop out of the box. Generally, we like to see another day in there or 2 for the pop out of the box, but let's not throw this away. That's a nice looking chart. Bullish, that bullish piercing candle, nice little rest up into here. Let's draw a line from this high down to about right there. We start seeing the bulls raise us up. Maybe you wait for a little rest. Maybe you buy that breakout. This chart looks to me like we go to 200, 191 right now. And another one I have is MasterCard. There's MasterCard. Again, you know, a lot of charts are looking like this right now because it's just a function of the market and the way the market is acting. So we have a nice little bottom right in here, and then we popped up, and here is our tight little consolidation. So what we want to do is put a line up here, down to those tops, down to those highs, and if we start to break out, that's where we might look for an entry. And you can see already today where we've already, this morning we're doing that breakout. So that early breakout might be a buy. You might wait, you know, for a period of time to see if we get a little pullback intraday. You might wait till next week, looking for some consolidation. That might be what you want to do. These stocks are all good for the next several trading days that we're looking at. And CRWD is the last one I have here. And here we are up with a bullish engulf, and there's 3 bars of rest on this one. And again, this one is gapping up, so it's setting up for that breakout buy. So you either buy the breakout or you wait for some consolidation next week if it consolidates. Just like that. There you go. So that's a few trades that I've got for the next few days that I think might be worthy for traders. Again, good morning, everyone. I'm going to zip out of here, grab a cup of coffee, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Thank you very much for being here in the trading room. Appreciate it.